Hey guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner. I talk watches and I have another channel in my native language and I got some interesting questions, so I thought I would like to share with you. Maybe someone will catch something or just pick my brains. One of the guys asked me, he wanted to gift himself a retirement gift, and he is undecided between Longines Hydro Conquest in a gray color, monochromatic gray, I love that color, or Tag Heuer Formula 1 automatic caliber 5, also gray. Which one would be better for me? And yeah. Well, some of the best gifts I ever got were the gifts I gave myself. So, I'm sorry, I have some light issues here. So, best gifts for myself. Even though Longines is very popular, I did a review back in the day, and this is a new ceramic version, and I love the monochromatic gray. It just looks great. I would have to pick Tag Heuer Formula 1. Why? Because of the brand recognizability. The brand is much more recognizable, and you will get much more bang for your buck. And we do want that bang per buck, don't we? And yeah, regarding quality wise, they're both basically the same shit. And the bracelet clasp here is not as good as it should be, and this price range. However, I would get the Tag Heuer, no questions, because you will get much more bang for your buck. Tag Heuer has a Sellita movement. Longines has their own ETA because they are a Swatch group, and Longines is a great brand, don't get me wrong, and Hydro Conquest is one hell of a watch. I love it. However, I would have to pick Tag Heuer just because you will get more bang for your buck. Okay, I have another question, which is very interesting. A guy wanted to know what would I pick between a Rolex 16014, that's a vintage 36mm Datejust with a plastic crystal, or a Moonwatch. So he wanted to have one and done watch, just one and done watch, and he asks me what would I pick between these two, why, all used. Of course, my first Rolex was a vintage Datejust, and I wore that thing everywhere. It was so comfortable on the wrist. Do I look weird with these sunglasses on? Yeah, I think I do. It's so comfortable on the wrist. It's the bracelet, Jubilee bracelet, the watch. You need to service it. I serviced mine with the Independent. I put new seals, and it was 100-meter water-resistant watch with a screw-down crown. Perfect. Perfect. One and done watch for every day. White dial, silver dial. I love that watch, and I sold it. I got rid of it. It went towards my Breguet, but I have so many regrets, and one of the biggest regrets is this Datejust, because I can never get it for what I sold it for. I sold it for like 3K, and yeah, we're not gonna mention the fact that I bought it around 2, but however, these days these are much more expensive, and I will not overlook it. Very comfortable on the wrist, beautiful. You get a Rolex, and yeah, negative side, a stretchy bracelet. Every one of these vintage Rolexes, you will get a stretchy bracelet, stretched out. I don't mind personally. I think it's part of the character, but you need to know. these things before you buy it. And yeah, great watch, I love it. On the other hand, Moonwatch also has a plastic crystal. Plastic crystal scratches easily, but you get some polywash or toothpaste and you can buff those scratches in 5 minutes. So no biggie there. As water resistance, it has less water resistance. It has 3 holes, it has more holes. So you need to keep it away from water. It's not very practical for every day, I would say. And also, you need to wound it every morning or every night. You need to remember to wind the watch. I like the fact it has no date. However, it also has tremendous history with going on the moon. And if you believe that sort of thing, because there are people who do not. And that's tremendous history. And yeah. Great watch, chronographs. I love chronographs, but they are more expensive to maintain and service as well. So I would get the Datejust, the vintage Datejust. It doesn't have to be this reference, but I suppose you have this reference. Vintage Datejust first, then I would get a Moonwatch, because you need to have both of these watches. Like Jeremy Clarkson said, you are not a true petrol head until you, at least at some part of your time in your life, owned an Alfa Romeo. And yeah, so get a Datejust, wear it, enjoy it. You will see, it's the most comfortable watch on your wrist, especially the vintage one. Newer ones have a better bracelet and whatnot, but vintage Datejust is a tremendous value, if you ask me. And after you get a vintage Datejust, then get a Moonwatch, because every man needs to have a Moonwatch. Ben Clymer said everyone needs to have a Moonwatch, needs to own a Moonwatch, and that doesn't mean you need to keep it in your collection forever and ever, because lots of people are selling Moonwatches. They buy it and they get disappointed. So you need to try them on your wrist first. That's the big, if you can. And then get a Datejust. Then after that, get a Moonwatch. It's no-brainer. And you need to own experience, and you need to be able to say, I own the Moonwatch. You can sell it, but I think it's a part of a journey of every serious watch collector. So yeah, that would be it for this video, and thank you for watching, and do write me in the comment section what do you think down below. Do you agree with my choices? What would you pick, Longines over Tag Heuer, or would you buy first Omega Moonwatch over Datejust, vintage Datejust that is? Because I think Datejust is for one and done, just only watch, very usable, and you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it casually with jeans and shorts like Tony Soprano, you can put it on a suit and go to a wedding, and everything in between. And also it's water resistant if you check the seals.